Okay, this is June 4th, 2011 at 10:55 p.m. I'm looking at a lot of earthquake activity. Arkansas has a 2.1 on June the 4th. This is Maine on June the 5th. It's not June the 5th yet, it must be there already. 1.7 and 1.8 in Maine. I'm not sure how often they get earthquakes in Maine, but they do today. There's a 1.7 in New England on the 3rd, a 1.9 on the 3rd in New York. This 2.1 in Arkansas bothers me though, with it being on the New Madrid fault line. Then we have this one. This is a Wyoming 3.1 on June the 4th. That one bothers me too. It's in Yellowstone area. It's been a long time since anything happened there, but that's not a good sign at all. Of course, we have the 1.5s, 1.8, 1.7 all through Southern California. Multiple ones there. 1.5 in Nevada. I don't know why that says June the 5th. It's only 10:57 here on June the 4th. They must have a different way of telling time in Nevada. In fact, I think they're supposed to be a little bit earlier than us at this point. Northern California 2.1 on June the 5th. Like I said, I don't know how that is June the 5th since it's still June the 4th here. They must have their hours mixed up there, or I do. One of us is having a big problem. But all week, June 3rd, they all went all the way from 1.5 to 2.2, 2.0, 1.5 in the Northern California, then jumps up to 2.1. That's some pretty significant activity changes. June 4th, a 1.9 in Washington, 1.6 in Washington, 1.5 in Vancouver. On June 3rd, a 4.5 on the Queen Charlotte Islands in Canada. We're getting up into Alaska now. 1.5. What was it? On the 5th. Okay, time changes. 1.7 on the 4th in Yukon Territory, southern part. 2.3 in central Alaska. 2.4, 2.7 in southern Alaska. 4.1 on the Alaska Peninsula, June 4th. These numbers are getting increasingly larger. Okay, let's see what we have down here in South America. We have a 4.5 south of Panama. Jeepers, people, these numbers are going up higher. 5.2 in northern Peru. There's a lot of activities going on. Oh gosh, 4 points, as low as 4.6 on up to 4.9 in Chile and Argentina. That's some activity there. Okay, we covered that one. Let's go up here. Okay, 3.0 to 3.5 and 3.4 in Dominican Republic. A lot of activity over there. I don't know what this is over here. That's Central Italy had a 3.3 on the 4th. Oh, we go down here. South America again. Let's see, did I get that? Yeah, that's the one I got. Oh, 4.9. Did I say that? In Chile. Yeah. Okay, over here we have a 4.7 on the South Sandwich Islands region. Places I didn't even know existed. Oh, let's see what we got over here on Hawaii. Magnitude 1.8 on the 2nd. All of these are on a fault line. Fiji region 4.5. 4.8 Tonga, June the 3rd. 5.1 Loyalty Islands, New Caledonia on the 3rd. 5.2. Then we go up here, magnitude 5.2 in Guam region. What is going on, people? 4.9 Banda Sea region. 4.7 in southern Sumatra, Indonesia. Let's see, that would be June the 4th.